Get a feel for the 2018 Lincoln MKX. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera. This vehicle is waiting for you at the intersection of comfort and style. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.